Hi future doctors, welcome to the next class. In this class, we'll discuss velocity of the image whenever we are placing object in front of spherical mirror and how the graph relations will be coming 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So we are going to see. So let us assume already we discussed lateral magnification, longitudinal magnification is equal to minus ms square. What is m means here? Image distance by object distance. V is image distance, u is object distance. This ml we wrote dv by du is going to be equal to minus ms square. We will write this one at the end. Now divide this both sides, numerator, denominator, with time. At the time you will get so dv by dt divided by du by dt. Please remember this v is image distance, u is object distance. Rate of change of distance is called velocity of the image. This is velocity of the object. So should be equal to minus ms square minus v by u whole square. Now velocity of the image should be equal to velocity of the object into minus ms square. So if they are asking what is the velocity of the image, you have to use this formula. Next we will see graph natures. How the graphs will be coming for 1 by v and they will ask for 1 by u. How you will be changed in front of the mirror means if you are taking this is the concave mirror pole focus center of curvature. So from infinity to if you are bringing up to f object, if you are bringing from infinity to f, how the image is going to be moving. So at infinity if you place object, where the image is going to form at f, isn't it? Beyond c if you place object in between c and f, at c. So between c and f, between c and f means beyond c. Therefore if object is coming like this, so image is going to come like this, correct? If object is coming towards f, image is going away from the f, so it will be coming like this if you observe the problems. So up to f if you are taking, u we will take negative, v also we will take negative, focal length also negative. So therefore all are negative means according to this formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. All negatives will become positive, isn't it? Negative, negative, negative. Therefore 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Graph is drawn between 1 by v and 1 by u. So what is the nature of the graph? To calculate, always in basics we discussed 1 by v means y axis, 1 by u means x axis. This is y, this is x. Compare with y equal to mx plus c. At the time 1 by v is equal to, so 1 by f minus 1 by u. So this is going to be, so y is equal to, so 1 by u is x minus 1 by u plus 1 by f you have to take, correct? So minus 1 by u plus 1 by f. This is going to be 1 by v is equal. Now compare with, this is y minus, what you will be getting? Mx plus c. Otherwise, you can take directly y is equal to mx plus c. Just you can write equation. So in place of x, what is there? In place of x, 1 by u is there. In place of c, 1 by f is there. In place of y, 1 by v is there. In place of m, what is there? Minus 1. What is m here? Slope, not magnification. Slope of the graph. Slope can be written as tan theta is minus 1. Tan theta is minus 1 means theta is 135 degrees. Otherwise, we can take another side 45 degrees. How we are going to write this? Now, what is the nature of the graph drawn between 1 by v and 1 by u if object is left side or beyond f? We are going to get means it is a straight line but not passing through origin. How the graph will be coming means like this it will be coming. So this is whenever x is 0, if you put x is 0, x is 0 means y is equal to c. That c is nothing but here, what is c here? 1 by f. This is going to be 1 by f from the graph. So this angle is going to be 45 degrees. this angle is going to be 135 degrees. So this is the nature of the graph if you are taking object beyond f at any point beyond f. Now if object is taken between f and p, then where the image will form? Behind the mirror. So what is the nature of the image? Now v is positive, u is negative, f is always for concave mirror negative. Now u is negative, v is positive, f is negative. Then what is the nature of the graph? How it will be coming means, again our formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by f. Focal length is negative, minus 1 by f. Image is positive, plus v. So plus 1 by u is negative minus. So we want y axis right side, sorry left side 1 by v. You can bring this one 1 by u minus 1 by f. You can take y is equal to mx plus c. Now what is c here? If you observe, c is going to be minus 1 by f. In this, plus 1 by f. Now in place of m, 1 is there here. In place of x, 1 by u is there. Therefore, positive slope, m is going to be plus 1. So m is plus 1, tan theta is going to be 1. So positive slope we are getting. So whenever you are getting positive slope, how the graph will be coming and what is the nature of the graph? Is it visible? Okay. So this is 1 by v, this is 1 by u. Y axis, x axis. So theta here plus 1. Here theta you got negative. Negative slope you got graph like this. Positive slope means, so you will be getting graph like this. This is going to be 45 degrees. Theta is going to be 45. If we extend this, this is only C value. How C value you are getting? I will say. This is going to be C value, that is going to be C. How you will get? Put x value 0. If you put x as 0, then y is equal to C. 1 by u is 0. 1 by v is, that is going to be minus 1 by f. Therefore, you are getting negative sign. So, minus 1 by f. So, if you combine both the graphs, how the graph will be coming. So, just we will see. So, both the graphs combined means like this. So, A to B, B to C. So, A to B you are getting. So, A to B, you are getting object is taken from where to where? Infinity to F, A to B. It is making 45 degrees. Correct? B to C, between F and B. This is also 45 degrees, but this is with negative slope. This is with positive slope. So this is 1 by f for this. C is equal to 1 by f. If you extend here, this is also C is equal to minus 1 by f. So they may give graph like this. So what is the nature of the image between B and C? What is the nature of the image for BC graph means virtual, erected, isn't it? Enlarged image or magnified image. This is for concave. If you are taking convex, so for convex, so F, C and P, object will be U is negative. So image wherever you are going to take diminished, size is going to be less. When taking diagram also it should be very careful. Okay, V is positive. So V is positive, U is negative, F is also positive. Then 1 by F equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. F is positive, 1 by plus F. V is positive plus V, but U is negative, minus 1 by U. Then 1 by V is equal to 1 by F plus 1 by U. Then 1 by V is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by F. How you got graph? You got graph like this, correct? 1 by V. This is going to be y. Y is equal to mx plus c. Correct? This minus u will be coming like this. Same like first graph you got na positive slope or negative slope. So this is equal to like positive slope. So you got graph whenever u is negative, v is positive. So y is equal to mx plus c. M is going to be positive. You are going to take m value 1. Theta is going to be 45 degrees. Correct. See now how it will be coming. Whenever x is 0, y is equal to c. But in this case, whenever x is 0, c is going to be minus 1 by f. But here, c is going to be plus 1 by f. Therefore, graph will be coming like this. This is 1 by v, 1 by u. So, 45 degrees it is going to make with horizontal. So, if you extend the graph, this is going to be c value. Correct? This is going to make 45 degrees. Otherwise, this is going to be c value. Not this. This value gives negative. Correct? Here c value is going to be plus 1 by f. Depending on the graph, how the c value is going to come is going to be very, very important. Whenever x is 0, x is 0 here, c is going to be 1 by f. So, this is nothing but convex mirror graph. This is concave mirror, object is taken beyond f any place. This is concave mirror, object is taken in between f and p. So, for this wherever we are taking, so image will be coming other side. So, this is about graphs, how 1 by v, 1 by u we are going to take. So, this is about, we can say about spherical mirrors.